Day 2 of the Coroner inquest into the death of Sylvester Oromoni Jr. Perhaps in anticipation of the serious business of the day, after the first introductory session that opened on Saturday, the ambience around the courthouse was different, with an unusual deployment of security personnel. There was, however, little or nothing to engage the operatives as proceedings went on smoothly. Inside the courtroom, the first principal witness out of the 7 to be lined up by the petitioner, the Oromoni family, represented by Femi Falana, a senior advocate of Nigeria, mounted the box. The witness is Clifford Chejere, a businessman and friend of the Oromoni family, and the one that picked Sylvester in school back in November after the management of Dowen College had placed a call through to the Oromoni's informing them of their child's health situation. He was engaged by the coroner, who took him up on his statement to the police in the investigation of the matter. Chejere told the court that he took the deceased for an x-ray at a private facility in VGC area of Lagos, after which he applied a hot balm on Oromoni's leg following an advice by the lab assistant at the facility, who also advised that painkillers be given to him. He said there was no external injury on Sylvester and also confirmed that there was no bruise on his lips as at the time he picked him up from the school. He also gave the court names of some of the students mentioned by the deceased to have beaten him as Temile Ansel, Kashamu and Favor as those he could remember. He said on his return to the school the day Sylvester died last November 30th, the principal summoned some of the suspected students as well as other Sylvester's schoolmates. The students, he said, denied the allegations that they had assaulted the deceased before he left the premises. On cross-examination, counsel to the state Akingbola judge took the witness up on why he didn't take Sylvester to a medical facility in Lagos before he was transferred to Warri in Delta State, to which he said he felt the deceased was just going through irregular pain, which would rescind after the application of the balm and painkillers. He also confirmed that Sylvester didn't say any other thing to him apart from sustaining injuries from playing football. On further cross-examination, Chejere confirmed that Sylvester's brother Kines joined them in Lagos on Wednesday, the day after he picked him up from school, and brought some more drugs which he could not confirm whether were administered on the Sylvester or not. But he said the deceased's condition had deteriorated by that Wednesday, as he could no longer sit properly but could only lie down sideways by then. He said he did not take Sylvester to the hospital because he did not get the approval of his parents to do so. The witness also said they transported Sylvester by road to Warri on Friday after they found out online that there were no flights available from Lagos on the designated day of travel by the time which he said Sylvester had started to develop blisters in his mouth. Chejere agreed with Ayi Ekpeyong, the counsel to one of the accused students, that there would have been visible injuries on the deceased body if he had been thoroughly beaten by 5 other young persons with belts, as been alleged by Sylvester's family. He also said, as a father of a 12-year-old child himself, he probably could have taken the deceased to a proper medical facility if he knew his case was beyond a mere knock in the leg. When asked if he heard that the doctors concluded that Sylvester died of sepsis, he confirmed that he had so, but quickly dismissed the counsel's attempt to establish that he massaged the deceased injury, saying he simply applied the balm on his feet, which he said was different from a massage. Chejere left the witness box after almost 4 hours, after which the coroner adjourned proceedings to Thursday and Friday 27th and 28th January for further hearing. The father of the deceased, Sylvester Oromoni Sr., was part of those present to witness proceedings on Friday. Tokunbo Oyetunji, Arise News, Lagos.